Okay, so I have all the cables pretty managed, and I got all of the bottom components plugged in, and as you can see, I put some electrical tape around some of the parts I didn't really want to see a lot of color from, and we're gonna go ahead and put together the LEDs. So this is USB powered, so I don't have to worry about getting an external power supply or anything like that. I just plug it in on the back, and then it's easy to thread in. Let's turn it so you can see it a little better. All right, so the place that I like to put these, because it has a little controller that you can use with the remote that they give you. The place that I like to put this is right up here on top of the back fan. All right, so all I have to do is peel off this taping right here. Alright, now that I finally got that peeled off, I only got half of it, which is that's fine. It'll stay in place, and now all I have to do is install it up here. Alright, and it's on there. Simple as that. And then let's just kind of tidy up these wires right here. Alright, and then let's go ahead and install the first LED. So what we're going to do is put a top one along the inside right here, and then either we're going to put one right here or along here. Still have not decided, but we're going to do it along the way. Alright, so the first one is... So that's plugged in. Fairly easy. And now all I have to do is take off the Alright, here we go. I got it. No. Alright, there we go. Now I got that off. Stuff is really sticky, so it can stay in the same spot. Make sure there's not much dust in the area that you are going to be installing this in. So, easy as that. And then we got one more. Comes with two of them, only 13 bucks. Really, really good price. And something I also forgot to mention earlier, on top of the case, it has a spot for another 120 millimeter fan. And it also has a dust filter. Here. I think I've decided to put it on the bottom. And then all of this extra wire, I'll just put a zip tie on those, and that'll be alright. So along there. That looks good. Alright, and let's get the sticky part off. Right, I got that. Been struggling with all this today, I can see. Alright, thing I got nails. Alright, now we can install this. Alright, and now those are installed. Alright, and now I made the mistake of installing my hard drive before, or my power supply, before my hard drive. And so now I'm having to deal with that, but I can still manage to get these screws in. So I've already got one of them installed, and then I'm just working on the last one. Alright, so now, kind of rattly. So here we have it, and it's working perfectly, and I even got the remote. The remote works great. So if you can see, it has many different colors, and it looks really good. And I've already done some performance tests, and it does phenomenally. I did Battlefield 1, and I think the preset settings were medium. They may have been high, and it was running at 60 frames all the time. And that was just for the beta, but that was really nice. You can do like different colors. It's really nice. These LEDs are amazing. Just make sure that if you get these LEDs, that you plug them in the right way, because if you don't, then they're not going to turn on, and it's going to seem like something's broken. So you know you can do fade, so it fades, and it looks like it's staying the same color that way. Let's see, strobe. That's pretty cool. Usually I have these off just so that I can not be so distracted while I'm playing games. And this one's really cool. It's smooth, so it can just go through each color and flash. Honestly, I don't see much difference, but this is really good, and thank you for watching this overall build. This has been a great process, and it's a great computer too. And thanks for staying along with me. Check out other videos that are coming up. We have others, and that's it. If you liked all the videos, you can go back, like them all, go to the comment section, and if you go to the comment section, please tell us if we have to improve on anything at all. And so yeah, subscribe, and it'll be much appreciated. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.